Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: OS version, enough free space, and basic permissions. Download a trusted Edge lighting app or APK now and install it. Once installed, open the app and immediately grant notification access and overlay permissions so the lighting can run over other apps. You need battery optimization disabled for that app. Go into settings and exempt it. Make sure Do Not Disturb rules won't block banner triggers. These first actions let the app detect notifications and prepare to draw along screen edges. Now you configure how the Edge lighting looks and activates. Pick a shape, color set, thickness, and animation speed. These determine visibility and battery use. Next, assign triggers. Enable for notifications, calls, charging, or alarms, and choose which apps should trigger effects. Once choices are set, tweak sensitivity and latency so the Edge responds promptly without false positives. Use the app's preview or send a test notification to confirm timing and placement. If it feels jittery, lower animation complexity until it runs smoothly. Finish by optimizing for daily use. Reduce frame rate and animation duration to save battery, and set active hours so lighting runs only when wanted. Finalize Edge placement: left, right, top, bottom, or enable all sides and lock per app colors for quick identification. Once done, double-check permissions and battery-exempt settings. If effects fail, restart the phone and re-enable overlay and notification access. Make sure any security app isn't blocking the overlay. If persistent, reinstall the app or try an alternative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.